Shaw Inspires LLC. So I was born in Charleston, South Carolina, a Geechee Gullah boy. I was raised in the Moncks Corner, Alvin area, North Charleston, and honestly, I'm literally from everywhere. My family is pretty much spread out from Miami to New York, so I've spent time in all of those places. But my home is Charleston, South Carolina, and that's who I am. I'm a Charleston kid. So Shaw Inspires LLC is pretty much my vision, my creation of a company that's based off of all my passions. So what I am, I'm a social entrepreneur, and I work on different issues in the community that I'm passionate about, whether it be through writing, speaking, coaching, or mentoring. So what a social entrepreneur is, we have a lot of social issues going on in our communities. It might be education or politics, different things like that. And what I do is I take my passions and my gifts and I use them to cure problems in our communities. I mean, one of the benefits was just being able to wake up and have joy on what's about to happen, what I'm about to do, and some of the things that you feel is accomplishment. You might feel pride. You might feel joy. There's so many things around just being able to wake up and do what you want to do what you've been placed on this earth to do. And so I think that's the best benefit it can be, is just that I can wake up and do what I want to do what I need to do, and it's helping other people. So that feeling is, you can't match that. Oh, I'm gonna steal this from my Nigerian mother, yo. So my Nigerian mother said that life is just this simple. You either will be remembered for the problems you created, or you'll be remembered for the problems you solved. So I have a mentoring program called Teampreneur. And Teampreneur, what it is I help youth anywhere from 11 to 25 build a lifestyle and a business around their passions, right? I want them to self-sustain themselves, not to be able to depend on anybody else. But before we build that business, I make sure that they have an entrepreneurial mindset, because when you have an entrepreneurial mindset, you go at life a little bit different, right? And so in our society, our culture in America, and other countries as well, because I've learned that recently, a lot of us have a deficit thinking process, right? We don't have an asset-based thinking process. We don't think or don't know that things are innate. And so what I do is help us pull that innate gifts and talents out of us to self-sustain us, to create some wonderful things. And so far I've been blessed with the opportunity. Literally last week I was in Costa Rica presenting my Teampreneur program to a global summit on childhood, and it was received so well. I have opportunities to kind of visit different countries and different continents to kind of share the things that I'm doing here in America. But the program, man, is really about activating the learner. If you can tell me why I'm being educated, I'm going to be more open to being educated. And that's what I do with the youth. I show them why education is important to their vision and dream. I think if you don't follow your dreams, and I think if you don't live a lifestyle that you're passionate about, you're wasting time and wasting a life. I think that everybody has a gift or passion or talent that they are blessed with, so that they can create with that as well. Because all of us have a piece of a creator inside of us. And so with that piece of creator, there's a creative talent that we need to use to not only cultivate our gifts, but share our gifts with other people. So if you're not doing that, I think that you're missing out on the blessings of this life.